Hi, this is Rolf from Tesla Owners US, and today we are installing a wire harness which is not available on some of the Model 3s. And how we do that, we just do it brief. There's a more introduction video for that, how you do it in detail. But we tell you something about what it is and why we're doing it.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is...
Okay, now we are here in the car, and I have to be in the car to make a little explanation about what that is and how that connects. Actually, what it connects is this speaker over there and this speaker. And there is really a speaker in there in the standard range. However, it's not in the it's in the long range installed, but it's not in the standard range. So they are saving, and they are not saving on the speaker itself. They are saving just on the wiring harness. Maybe copper is too expensive. So this is actually Mike's car. So you know Mike from because he was one time of my referrer. So explanation to that, where this comes from. So we have to go to the bottom here, and it's actually, there is a panel underneath here, and there is a connector, and we have to run the wiring harness, which comes completely with connectors and everything alongside here and connecting into here. So basically we have to take the floor mats out again, then take these panels off, that panel off, and then we'd be ready in order to do the installation. This will activate the speakers. Guys, let me show you how that looks like. And actually it is just this type of a panel. You see that? That's from Hanshu. I think I explained some products for them, for those guys before. We fully paid for this. And it comes actually with tools. There's a tool in the box here, which is this little plier, plastic plier, to get the panels off or the little clips off. And yeah, here's the wire. It's only one wire. So, and that's what we have to connect. Okay, first of all, guys, open all doors, all windows, open the front, take the panel off, and then actually shut down the car first. Did we do that? Shut down the car? Yeah. So basically don't press the brake because it is power shut off. No, power shut off. So that's all. And then you can go to the battery, push it forward and shut it off. Pull the clips out, push it forward, and then you can disconnect it. Battery disconnected. Okay, here we go. Okay, what that is, there is a little trigger that you push, and then you can lift the seat up. So, and from here, as you can see, there's a foam piece, and that foam piece, you move it up. Did you hear the click? Yeah, the click is there. Now high voltage connection is disconnected. Okay, now we are powerless in the car. So we are looking for the clips now, in order to clip it off there on the side. Here we go. We have to grab under it and then take the clips off. Here we go. Yeah, one after the next one. Yeah, a few there, you can see it. Okay, it's off, and we can, every clip is off, and then we can take this one off, the connector here, and then here interim we have to connect the wiring harness. Okay, a little bit difficult to get there, but we need to connect it to the black plug in here, the wiring harness, and that's what we're going to do. Next piece, we have to take this panel off, here the side panel, so we pop that out and That's easy. And then, yeah, now you can see from here. And then we put this entire panel off there as well. Yeah, this goes all the way down. You can remove this all out. Yes. Now we are talking. This is what we wanna get to. Okay, here, that's where we have to get to. There's a blue connector there, and that's where we have to connect the cable, wiring cable. It's underneath of the top connector. Yeah. And then I think we can put it all alongside here. Wiring harness. Yeah. Okay, here we go. So this, which one goes on the driver's side? That goes on the driver's side.
That goes back here.
Yeah, this one here. All the way down here. Right? Then it goes here alongside.
This goes.
Then this goes
Somewhere in here.
Somewhere in here. And then that one goes to over in here, down here. And we have a lot of wire left over. Okay. Okay guys, this is a piece of work to put these connectors there, in there, all the way up to the top there. And it's the second connector here on the top. There, second, not the white one, the black one. Now it's the white one because we interconnected this. So the next connector is this one here, this one. So we need to also interconnect it with this piece here. Yeah, with this guy. So a little tricky, this piece here. You have to press this one here. You press this one in, and then it goes out. So now we can interconnect that with this guy here. Okay, good. Let's go interconnect it. Okay, we take a piece of wood. We have to remove the white one here on the top. That is here on the side of the car, and then we get to the blue one to connect to. Okay, let's connect the interconnect here. So these two white pieces coming in there can only go in one direction. Yeah, the right direction. Yes. Yeah, clipped in. And now we have to bring this piece back there. We have everything connected. Now let's try to turn it on again before we put it all together. So okay, here's the power connect again. Connect the high power, put the foam piece on. Okay, and clip it in. And don't do this, close the door, because you can't open the door until you have power, at least not in the rear. In the front you can open the door if you have the windows down. So now turn the power on again. That's it. And then we can probably later put this one on. Let's check it. Here we go. Let's try. Let's play some music. Connecting. Yeah, sound comes from here. Yeah, sound comes from here. Sound comes from this side as well. Yeah. And on that side. 4 more speakers. Here we go. Yeah, installation at 45 Celsius or 115 or so. And it was successful. So this is basically making out of 7 speakers 11 speakers. It's not bad because their sound volume should go to 11. That's all. Thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.